So this is one of our newest projects that we're just getting started on. If you recognize the building behind me, it's likely because you used to come to the Ace Hardware store in Hope Mills, North Carolina. What we'll be doing on this project is the Hope Mills Police Department is having to have a temporary headquarters built because there'll be another construction project going on at their existing location. And so we were awarded a contract by the City of Hope Mills to turn the old Ace Hardware store into the Hope Mills Police Department temporary headquarters. Let's come inside and take a look at it. So now that we're inside, you kind of get an idea of maybe if you'd been here before, what it looked like, and then what it looks like now. Clearly a lot of progress has been made. What we have now in front of us are what we call the framing stage, which is metal studs, which is what the architect called for this particular plan. So what we have in front of us is the administrative room where people come in the front door, get the paperwork, ask for a detective, etc. Behind us we'll have the chief's room, his administrative assistant. Also, we'll have the sergeant, another office for another personnel, and then the armory. It's kind of a fun project for us. It's not too often we get to deal with some of the particular needs and security wants that the police department has to have to keep evidence controlled. Also, an interview room when you have folks coming in to talk to the various staff members and detectives. So it's been a fun project. We're just now getting started. We look forward to having a successful project here and being part of Hope Mills' growth and getting their temporary police headquarters upfitted for them to meet their needs.
Be sure to like and follow us on Facebook to get the latest updates on all our projects. Visit facebook.com/Ben Stout Construction and click on like and follow. Thanks for joining our team.